Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a nice time, and I hope you have taken your vaccine. I have taken my first shot. I uploaded a video about it. If you haven't watched it, the link will be down in the description. Make sure to watch it, and उसके बाद डर ज़रूर भाग जाएगा. And today's video is not about that. Today's video is about an amazing app that I found out, and I would like to share it with you guys. And what is that app? Why am I calling it amazing? I will share everything with you guys. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and I will catch you guys on the other side of this video. As I said at the beginning of the video, today I will be sharing app with you guys, and I will also teach you how to use the app. And this is an amazing app. So firstly, let me show you the app, then let's talk about the app. This is the app. I hope you can see it. Okay, if the brightness is a bit high, I will just reduce the brightness of my phone so you guys can see. This is the app. I don't want the reflection. I want you guys to see the app itself. I hope it is clear. Oh my god, this is a problem. You have a lot of reflection issues. Yeah. Okay, let me give you a closer look at the app so you guys can understand what I am talking about. This is the app that I was talking about. This is Smitten. This is the app. Let's give you a closer look. So you got a closer look at the app. The name of the app is Smitten. It is available in the Play Store as well as in the App Store. I have downloaded it from the App Store. I use it on my iPhone because I primarily use my iPhone. And I'm currently using it to shoot this video. That's why I cannot show you how the interface is going to look in iPhone. Sorry for that. But it is a good app and it works really smoothly in an iPhone. So you won't have any problem there. I just shared this information because I know many of you might be using an iPhone now. And that's a basic question that many of you have, like, can I use it on my iPhone? Do I need to use an Android phone to use this app? Nothing like that. Because there are certain apps that we as an iPhone user cannot use because it is not permitted by iPhone, or App Store doesn't have that app and we cannot use it. But it's nothing fundamental. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly open the app and we'll talk about the app now. This is an amazing app. Why am I telling amazing? I'm telling this app is amazing because once you open some interface like this is going to pop up, and you have to either sign up if you're new, sign in if you're old, and you can also use it as a guest if you don't want to just sign in. So currently, just to show you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using it as a guest. Yeah, you can see the reflection out here, right? So select, give your PIN code, your area PIN code, and continue. Press continue and good to go. And this is the interface of the app. And why I am saying this is an amazing app, because you have got some trial points that is going to show up on the left hand corner. Let me just show you here. You will get to see the trial points just right here. Yeah, now it's a perfect corner. No shadows coming. This is the trial points. Just beside trial points, you will get referral cash, and then there is a Smitten wallet. Okay, so basically you can use the trial points to buy things from Smitten. For the first time, if you want to use any product that you have not used before, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, you just have to use the trial points to purchase it. And this is where the confusion begins, because many of you don't know how to use the trial points, and that is why many I have seen while I went to download the app from App Store, many have actually wrote bad app, nothing is free, you have to pay. Okay, let me make it very clear. Yes, there is a nominal fee that you have to pay, and that is just the shipping charge. Let me be very clear. You have to just pay the shipping charge and nothing else. You're not paying for this products that you're buying. Okay, you can use the trial points. I also call it the freebie points because you're getting the products for free, and it is true that you are getting the products for free. So you basically need to see how many points you need for buying each product, and by buying I mean for trying. And because here you have got two sections, one is the trial and one is the shop. So when you are going to be using your trial points, you will be shopping from the trial section, and there's another main side that is the shop in the app. Over there, when you are going to go and shop, your trial points won't work. Okay, so for trials you have to shop from the trial section. So now let me give you a closer look at the trial section and how it looks. So here it is. So this is the trials. Okay, I hope now it's fine. Yeah, no reflection. This is the trial section. Over here you can see it's written trials, and this is the shop section. Now let's quickly show you how to shop. Supposedly you want to buy this. I have already signed in using my account, and I will be just showing you how to place your order. Supposedly you want to buy this. This is Joy Neem and Turmeric face wash, and firstly you will see how many trial points you need. It's going to be written in green. You need one trial point, and the price or the sample is also going to be like in bracket. It's going to be written sample. Sorry for that. In bracket it's going to be written sample, and in the other side the size is going to be written. And generally you will see that the price is also written, but here somehow the MRP or the price is not written. But anyway, if you want to buy this product, what you have to do is just try now, and it's going to be added to the cart. And I will just advise you this, that if you are trying for the first time, like you're trying products for the first time or using your trial points for the first time, make sure you buy products that require only one trial point. Because if you end up buying products that require 3 or 4 trial points, you won't be able to purchase 6 products using your 6 trial points. So I will advise you to always do that. Buy products that require only 1 trial point, so you can actually try 6 different products. And I have already placed my order for some products. It's going to be coming pretty soon, and once it arrives, rather it is going to be arriving pretty soon. Once it arrives, I will obviously make an unboxing video for you guys, so wait for that one. And supposedly I want to buy something from Plum, and let's see whether that is available or not. And we have to go and do the entire shopping from this trial section only. No way we can do it from any other section. If you click over here by chance, it is in the trial section only. This will drive you to this place, and this place is the shop. Okay, because when you go here, no way you can see is written the trial points. Nothing is mentioned out here. Because trial point is not mentioned, that means this is the shop section. Because trial points will be written out here. If it is not, that means this is the shop section. Don't do that. Just go back. Shop from this section. This is the section in which you are supposed to shop to get these products for free. And supposedly you want to buy this. Supposedly this requires 2 trial points, so I would recommend you not to do that. But obviously if you want to buy a product, you want to try this out, you can obviously go and do that, and depends. But if you are trying this app for the first time and you want to get the maximum out of your trial points, buy products that require only 1 trial point, and that way you will be able to order 6 products for free. And there's also another thing you will come to know at the last. I will tell you at last only. So let's quickly order 6 products. I have already added 1 to cart. You have got something from Plum. You have got a green tea face wash. I'll add that only requires 1 trial point. Out here you can see over here it requires 1 trial point. If you want to see something else, it is written out here. See how many trial points, then we go up, how many trial points, then we keep on going up. It's always going to be mentioned out here how many trial points you need. Just try now and it will be added to your cart. So we are done out here. Then we'll just order maybe something from Mamaearth. Let's see what we can order from Mamaearth. I don't want a conditioner. Maybe I want a conditioner. Okay, it's an onion conditioner. And you have anything else? No, you don't have anything else. So let's go. And you also have Just Herbs. You have VLCC. Maybe we'll try something from VLCC. Let's see. Let's see. Rose water. You can try this rose water toner. You have got sandalwood. Sandalwood cleansing milk. Then you have got a honey moisturizer. These require 1 trial points only. Is there anything else? Face scrub. Yeah. Okay, I want to try this one. Maybe this requires 1 trial point. I'm just adding it. I'm just showing it to you how to actually order the product. So now what I will do is I'll just add products fast, so time is not wasted anymore. There are a lot of different products that you can try out here. And one more thing, you can also try products from M Caffeine. That is also available out here, as you can see. M Caffeine. Let's go back. See, you have got some products from M Caffeine that you can try out here. 3 products are available. If you want, you can give this a try. And for all, you just need 1 trial point. So I am adding it to my cart. I currently have 4. And if you have the product already, I have added this. When I tap it again, it's going to read product is already in cart. So that's a good thing. So 4 product already added. Let's see what do we have here. We also have body spray. We also have hot beverages that are selling out here. Some products require 2 trial points. I generally avoid them when I am going for a trial option, because I would like to sample products that have 1 trial point, so I can end up purchasing 6 different products for trial point basis. So like freebie points that I just now mentioned. Let's see what other fragrance it has. Okay, I have decided to order a female perfume. Okay, 5 is added. Okay, is it Oohoo? By mistake I added something that required 2 trial points. I'm not doing that. I'm going back and I'm adding something that requires 1 trial point. I am doing that. Then 5 products are added. Now I want to add some hot beverages, because I saw they also sell coffee or tea out here. So why not? We can give that a try as well. The sachets you're going to get is going to be mentioned out here. So I want to try this from Colombian Brew. That's a mocha coffee. Okay, after you have done everything, it's going to open up. Something like this is going to open up. Let me see. Why is the reflection coming? Okay, like it's going to read. Here it is. Yeah, it's going to read great choice. All your products and all your available trial points have been used up. Proceed to the cart to check out. So what we'll do, we'll go to check out the cart. Okay, and as I said, there's something else waiting for you at the end. That is also a very good thing of this app. Here you can see there is a gift option. You can select from this gift option as well. Currently they are giving me a leather carry pouch. Okay, if I go in here, they are showing this is what I am entitled as a gift. I'm not going to be paying anything for this one. So I can take that, and there are other gifts available as well. So let's see. This is one gift that I can take if I want. This is one gift that I can take if I want. This is another gift that I can take if I want. I can select only one gift. Okay, I can take this gift, rose face toner. I can take Too Faced sheet masks from Kaya. I can take this. I can take this. I can take any from this. Okay, any gift, any one gift. So supposedly I want to take a bag. Okay, that looks like cute sa chotu sa bag. I'll confirm the gift. So the gift is also added. Fine. So this is my cart. I just wanted to show you, because this is where people get confused and people start panicking, and then they say we have to pay a lot. We don't have to pay anything. This gift is free. This gift is free. The item is free. Everything is free. We are just paying for the shipping. That's all. shipping के लिए या so this is the best part. As I said, you actually get a freebie or a free gift for that you're not paying. And here is the total price that you have to pay. I just mentioned what is it. It is inclusive of GST, how much you have to pay. This is it. And when you proceed, you also get two more options. Either you can take 199 cashback in your Smitten wallet. That's going to last for 30 days and you can use it on selected items, and you have to shop from Smitten app itself, or you can simply choose 6 more Smitten trial points that you can use in your next shopping, and this 6 trial points is going to last for a lifetime. And once you go to proceed, it's going to ask for your card details or the payment method, and that's it. I'm not proceeding anymore because my address and things like that are added out there. So this is it, and this is a simple method and nothing else. This is the only amount that you have to pay, that's 199. So please don't get confused, and just because you don't understand what's happening, don't try to blame the app. You basically get to try all these products firstly for free, and then if you like the product, obviously you could go and buy it from Smitten app as well. They have a shop. I did mention it before, right? So now let's go and show you the shop itself. I did show you the trial point part. Now let's go back and let's go to the shop. If you like some product, supposedly you use this one and you like this one, so you can directly go to the shop. So, or you use this one and you like this, go to the shop, purchase it from this shop. It's that simple. And this is a good app because it gives you an option to try the product beforehand for free. You just have to pay the shipping charge and nothing else. And not only that, you're getting a free product. I cannot even say not only that, I will say you can download this app. First thing that you can do is you are being able to try the product for free. You're getting a free gift at the end. Then you're getting an option if you want that cashback in your Smitten wallet. That's going to be lasting for 30 days. And you can use it on selected items in this shop section. Or you can again take 6 more Smitten try, points that you can use to try some more products. So overall, this is an amazing app, isn't it? How many apps have you seen in the market that actually gives you so many options like this? Firstly, before you buy anything from them, you get an option to try for free the products, and all, mind you, are original products. Then you get an option of getting a free gift. You get an option to select what gift you want. That's also there. And not only 1 or 2 options, you did see there were 6, I think so, more than 6 options out here. After that, they also ask whether you want a cashback or you want more trial points. So overall, this app is amazing. I also placed my order using trial points from Smitten app. I call them the freebie points, but they are not known as the freebie points. They are known as the trial points. So let my order arrive. I will surely make a separate video for that. And if you like this video, make sure to press the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and download the app. The link is down there in the description. Use it. I hope you're gonna love it. I did love placing my order. I haven't got the products up till now, but as far as my shopping experience was, it was pretty good. And if you have already used it or used the app, let me know about your experience, and follow me on all the other social media platforms that I'm available on, and that starts to be Facebook, YouTube. I am on YouTube because I'm making this video on YouTube. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Reel, Pinterest. Is there anything I'm missing? I don't think so. If I am missing, links will be down in the description below. So make sure to follow me on all these places, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram because I keep on coming up with amazing giveaways. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you may miss a lot of giveaways because there are a lot of people who complain, why don't you come up with a giveaway for YouTube? I will. Let me reach 1K, and for that you guys can help me by subscribing to my channel let me reach 1k, help me reach 1k. I will surely come up with a giveaway for the YouTube channel as well. But till then, I am coming up with some amazing giveaways on my Insta account, so make sure you follow me on Insta. Link is going to be down in the description below. And that's it for today's video. Till then, keep clicking with your soul and have a nice time, and I will catch you guys pretty soon in the next vlog. Ta-da, bye bye.